Look at that. That ugly orange-brown rust ring sitting right inside a beautiful porcelain bathtub. That disgusting stain that makes your entire bathroom look filthy, no matter how much you clean around it. You've scrubbed it, you've bleached it, you've spent money on expensive bathroom cleaners that promised results and delivered nothing. And that rust ring? It laughed at you. It's still there. But what if I told you that a $2 powder sitting on a grocery store shelf right now dissolves that impossible rust ring in minutes? No heavy scrubbing, no expensive plumber, no bathroom renovation, just a $2 can of Barkeeper's Friend and about 10 minutes of your time. And here's the part that's going to make you angry. Big plumbing companies, professional cleaning services, and bathroom renovation businesses have known about this for decades. They buried it. Because a $2 fix means you don't call them. You don't pay their $200 service visit fee. You don't replace your tub. You just fix it yourself permanently, and they lose a customer forever. Today, we expose that. By the end of this video, your porcelain tub is going to look brand new. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you exactly how to prevent rust rings from ever coming back. If you're new here, hit subscribe right now. We do budget chemistry that saves real money and delivers real results. Let's get into it. Let me show you what we're working with today. This is Barkeeper's Friend Powder Cleanser. You can find it at almost any grocery store, hardware store, or online. The price? Between $1.50 and $2.50 for a standard can. That's it. That is your entire weapon against rust rings that have survived years of scrubbing. Now here's the science. And this is where it gets interesting. Most people think rust is just dirt sitting on the surface. It's not. Rust is a chemical reaction. When iron, from a metal shaving cream can, a razor holder, or mineral heavy hard water, comes into contact with moisture and oxygen, it oxidizes. Iron oxide forms. That's rust. And it doesn't just sit on top of your porcelain. It bonds into the microscopic pores of the surface. That's why bleach doesn't touch it. That's why regular bathroom sprays fail every single time. Now, Barkeeper's Friend contains oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is a naturally occurring compound. It's actually found in spinach and rhubarb. But in concentrated powder form, it does something spectacular to rust. It chemically reacts with iron oxide and converts it into a water-soluble iron compound. Translation? The rust breaks apart at a molecular level and rinses away. It doesn't scrub off. It dissolves off. That's the secret Big Plumbing never wanted you to understand. You're not fighting the rust with force, you're destroying it with chemistry. And it is 100% safe on glazed porcelain when used correctly, which is exactly what I'm going to show you now. Here's exactly what you need before we start. 1 can of Barkeeper's Friend Powder Cleanser, around $2. 1 damp sponge or soft cloth, a small bowl of warm water, rubber gloves. Always wear gloves when working with any acid-based cleaner. That's the entire supply list. Total cost, under $3. Now let's walk through this step by step. First, put your rubber gloves on. Protect your hands every single time you do this. Next, lightly wet the surface of the rust ring with a damp sponge. You want the porcelain surface damp, not soaking wet, not dripping. Just enough moisture to help the powder activate and stick. Now take your can of Barkeeper's Friend and sprinkle a moderate amount directly onto the rust ring. You don't need a mountain of powder. A light, even dusting that fully covers the stain is exactly right. Think of it like dusting powdered sugar onto a dessert. Even coverage, not piled high. Now take your damp sponge and gently work the powder into a thin paste directly on the rust ring. Use light circular motions. You are not scrubbing hard. You are just helping the paste make full contact with the stain. This is important. The chemistry does the work, not your arm. Once you have a consistent paste covering the rust ring, stop, step back, let it sit. For light rust stains, 5 minutes is enough. For older, deeper, more stubborn rust rings, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Watch what happens during this time. You'll see the paste begin to change color slightly, shifting from bright white to a faint yellow or brown. That color change is the oxalic acid actively reacting with the iron oxide. That is the rust being broken down right in front of your eyes. After your wait time is complete, take your damp sponge and wipe the paste away with light circular motions. Then rinse the area thoroughly with warm water. Wipe down with a clean, damp cloth to remove any residue. Now step back and look. The rust ring is gone. Not faded, not lighter. Gone. The porcelain underneath is clean, bright white, and completely undamaged. For extremely stubborn rings that have been sitting for years, repeat the process one more time with the same steps. Most people see complete removal in one application. Some older, deeper stains may need 2. But that's still under $3 and under 30 minutes total. Now let's talk about what you just witnessed. Before, an orange-brown rust ring embedded into a white porcelain, the kind of stain that makes visitors uncomfortable, the kind of stain that makes you feel like your bathroom can never truly be clean, the kind of stain that renovation companies point to and say, you need a new tub. After. Bright, clean white porcelain with zero rust ring remaining. No damage to the glaze, no scratches, no dull spots. Just clean porcelain that looks the way it did when it was first installed. This is what $2 in 10 minutes accomplishes. This is what the professional cleaning industry charges hundreds of dollars for. This is what bathroom renovation companies use as justification for a full tub replacement. And now you know exactly how to do it yourself, permanently. Before you run off to clean your tub, a few critical safety points. Always do a small patch test first. Apply a tiny amount of paste to a hidden corner of your tub and wait 5 minutes. Most glazed porcelain handles barkeeper's friend perfectly, but always verify your specific surface before treating the whole tub. Never use barkeeper's friend on uncoated cast iron, natural stone like marble or granite, or any surface labeled no acid cleaners. It is specifically safe for glazed porcelain, ceramic, stainless steel, and glass. Keep it away from your eyes. If any powder or paste contacts your eyes, rinse immediately with clean water for 15 minutes and seek medical advice. Keep the bathroom ventilated. Open a window or run the exhaust fan while working. Never mix barkeeper's friend with bleach or ammonia-based cleaners. Use it alone, rinse fully, and you will have zero issues. Now, how do you prevent rust rings from coming back? Simple. Never store metal cans directly on porcelain. Shaving cream cans, aerosol sprays, metal soap dishes, all of them leave rust rings when they sit on wet porcelain over time. Use a small plastic tray or a rust-proof organizer to hold metal items in your shower or tub area. If you have hard water, a monthly quick wipe with barkeeper's friend on the tub surface takes 30 seconds and prevents buildup before it starts. These two habits eliminate rust rings from your bathroom permanently. Here's what we proved today. A $2 can of barkeeper's friend containing oxalic acid chemically dissolves iron oxide, rust, directly off glazed porcelain without damaging the surface. No heavy scrubbing, no expensive professional cleaning, no tub replacement. Big Plumbing buried this solution because it costs $2 and it works. Now you know. Now you own this. Your porcelain tub is clean, bright, and restored, and it cost you less than a cup of coffee. If this video saved your tub today, hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps this channel reach more people who need this exact information. Drop a comment below and tell me how long your rust ring had been there. I want to hear the before and after stories. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Every week we bring you chemistry-based cleaning and restoration hacks that save you serious money. Next video, we are tackling something even bigger. Hard water stains on glass shower doors that look permanently frosted. The kind that glass companies say require full panel replacement. We dissolve them with a $1 ingredient you already have at home. You do not want to miss that one. I'll see you there.